Hey, it's Tom again, and I'm going to show you how to use the Gosh AR actual app. I realized some of the settings I made in the previous video were a bit ridiculous, and it made it really hard to demonstrate. So before we do anything, I'm going to show you how to re-augment any augmentations that you set in the Gosh AR configurator app. So the first thing we're going to do is zoom everything in a bit. We're going to click on our Manage AR Sessions tab, click on Session 7, and here is the current session that we set up in the previous video. As you can see, NHS logo's got Lady Pirate with scale 5. I quickly discovered scale 5 was way too big. Projection angle 70 on the zombie was not too obvious, so I'm going to change that. And I had 0 set to the scale of Robot Carl and Clinton, which actually made nothing appear, which was actually really confusing. I thought I had a bug for a long time. So we're going to click on the Reconfigure Augmentations button. And as you can see, that takes us back to the configuration page where we can set all the settings. I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to see me mess around with everything. But basically, I'm going to change the Lady Pirate scale down to 1. I'm going to change the projection angle on the zombie to 45 degrees. Hopefully that'll make it more real obvious what changing the projection angle does. And with Clinton, I'm going to set the scale, but not to 5, to 3. Because 5 actually made the Lady Pirate massive the first time round. And then for JFK, we're just going to do the same thing. We're going to use the video that we found before. So we're going to click the submit button. As you can see, the session has recompiled. We can click here and see our new session details. So now we're going to hop over to the mobile app. As you can see, we've got a nice little Gosh AR icon and splash page. And we're going to click on that and open up the app. As soon as you open up the app, you'll get prompted to enter the ID of the session you would like to join. The session that we made on our configurator was 7, so we're going to type in 7 and click the join button. Here's a quick reminder of the details of the session that we just made. And here is what happens when you point at the targets. So this is the NHS target with our Lady Pirate. It's wigging out a bit. That sometimes happens if you're not using a flat plane or a surface or a screen. But as you can see, she has a little animation that was included in her asset folder in the Unity page. Here's the zombie that projects onto Obama. As you can see, he comes out at a 45-degree angle because we set that, just to demonstrate that you can change the projection angle. I think next is, so we got Clinton, and this is Robot Carl at ×3 scale, so you can see how much bigger that appears. So I'm reopening the app to show the video because the first time round I chose a really high quality video and my internet is not very good and can't hack it while I'm also acting as a server, which I am at the moment, to demonstrate this app. So I've chosen a lower quality video, hopefully the buffering will be okay. And so I'm looking at the JFK picture. And as you can see, the video starts loading. It is buffering a teeny bit, but that's only because my internet isn't very good. Normally there's no delay, you wouldn't see that grey screen that we saw in the beginning. And just to show you, that is a picture of JFK. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this has been a clear explanation on how to use the Gosh AR app, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.